Hi there, my name is Anastasia from Fix It Females, and today we are here with one of our clients named Tracy in one of our most recent projects that we just completed. We'll be going through a couple of questions to see how her experience was with us. Okay, Tracy, can you tell us a little bit about your home and how you heard about Fix It Females initially?
Sure. So we live in a condo townhouse in Richmond Hill. It's about 4 stories high. And we moved in about 20 years ago, and we had some issues with some things right away, like the color of the paint, but we decided to keep it. But we needed our bathrooms to be renovated. There were some structural issues. So my husband actually found Fix It Females online, and he was really impressed that women could do all of this hard work, and we really liked your before and afters. So
Awesome.
We hired you to do our powder room on the main floor and to do our ensuite upstairs. One other thing that it didn't factor in a lot, but I work from home, and he liked the fact that even though people were going to be in the house with me all day, that it was going to be women, and it's one less thing to worry about.
Yeah, definitely. I definitely hear that. And how would you say your experience was throughout the renovation?
It was really good. It was excellent. Everybody was really nice. Everybody was really friendly. It was nice that you dropped by on a regular basis to check how things were going. The work was excellent. Like, the quality of the work was fantastic. But yeah, overall, it was an amazing experience. Thank you.
Awesome. It's been our pleasure. Were there any particular moments or aspects in the renovation project that stood out to you?
Everything went really well. We were really happy. I think one thing actually that stood out is that there were a few challenges along the way. Like, when you started taking things apart in the ensuite, there were a few challenges. And we were really impressed at how quickly you were able to figure things out and think on your feet and turn things around, because I am a natural worrier. And so my first reaction was like, oh boy, what are we going to do now? This is going to be a problem. And Chris was like, leave it to the professionals. And sure enough, like, you've got that experience behind you where you weren't just a pretty face. You could show up and you knew how to think on your feet, and from a construction point of view, how to fix things. So that was really important. But if anything, you would contact us at the end of the day and say, my people noticed there were issues. We're going to come back tomorrow and fix it. So that's what we really appreciated. Good. I've heard of contractors disappearing at the end of a job and people having a hard time contacting them and going, hello, you need to come back and fix. But if anything, it was like, oh, we were still not happy, Tracy. We need to fix something. I'm like, okay.
Definitely.
Fine.
You guys have been amazing. It's been such a pleasure working for you. And I know you want lots more work done. So we look forward to working with you
absolutely.
again. And did you have any maybe final thoughts or any feedback for the team?
So no, I don't think I have any feedback. If I had feedback, you would have heard it by now. I'm not shy, but I don't think it was all good feedback. And even when people left, I said, I'm hoping to see you again sometime, because it was really nice meeting everybody.
Awesome. Well, we thank you so much for taking the time out of your schedule to talk with us today. And like I said, we look forward to working with you in the future.
Thank you.
Okay.